morning everybody. Mae'n bleser ac yn anhyder fel mae'r dref arbennig hon eich croesawu chi I Gwyl Afon a Bwyd Aberteifi 2010. Dyma leoliad hyfryd i'r Gwyl, ar hyd glannau'r Afon Teifi sydd yn enwog am ei eog a'i sywyn. It is an honour and a privilege as the mayor of this great town to welcome you to Cardigan's River and Food Festival 2010.
This is an important year for Cardigan 2010, with it being the 900th year of our existence, and it is the start of a busy week in our calendar, and it's great to see so many people here once again this year celebrating the best of food and entertainment in and around Cardigan. What we have here, and we have now been displaying for 11-12 years since we began in 1999, is the produce that we are producing locally in and around Cardigan, but also across Wales. We have food producers from across the region here selling their wares, and it's a very popular day because of the high quality of the food they are producing. We have a lot of other events as well for children and for all members of the family. We have entertainment, we have live kitchen demonstrations, we have something for all weathers.
Fel y Rhaglen Cymraeg, rydyn ni yma heddi yn helpu nhw mas a helpu redeg yr troi, basically. Fel blwyddyn ma ni wedi bod yn helpu pobl I fel dalu ddod mewn a hala leaflets mas a danfon bagiau mas I pobl, chymod. Ni wedi bod yn helpu am llawer o flynydde nawr. Dwi wedi bod yn gwneud am 3-4 blynedd. So ni wedi bod yn gwneud am lot o llawer o flynydde.
We hope that in years to come the festival will continue to grow. As I said, it is the 12th year of its running, and we hope that in years to come, after our 900th anniversary has come to an end, you will come along and you will continue to support our event, because it is a wonderful day for Cardigan. It has been today, the weather's been kind, and we hope that it will continue to be a very successful and popular day in Cardigan for many years to come.